Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about the only migratory drongo in Sri Lanka. The ASHY DRONGO. The ASHY DRONGO is a species of bird in the drongo family Grijze. It has a long, slim tail with a deep fork. It is found widely distributed across South and Southeast Asia with several populations that vary in the shade of grey. A slim, medium-sized drongo with bright red eyes and grey plumage that is almost black in the western parts of its range and quite pale in the eastern parts of its range. Eastern birds also often have an oval-shaped pale facial patch. Common in wooded habitats where it sallies for insects and aggressively chases other birds that may compete for food or nectar. Most birds migrate south every winter, similar to black drongo but slimmer and usually in different habitats. Their calls are like locally named Kavuda. I have not seen the ASHY DRONGO. In Sri Lanka, you find all sorts of food, all sorts of varieties, and multi-cuisine restaurants. You will never be disappointed with variety of food found in Sri Lanka. And this is a picture of us visiting a recently opened Palestine restaurant.